Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you the fastest way to make money with affiliate marketing. I've said this in previous videos. Success leaves clues. What we're about to do is we're going to reverse engineer a successful affiliate marketing campaign. We're actually going to go out there. We're going to go into a niche. We're going to find the product that's being promoted. We're going to find out exactly how it's being promoted from start to finish. This is going to be a little bit of a quicker video, but a lot of quality content. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give me a like. Subscribe to the channel if you're brand new here, because on this channel, we teach you strategies and tactics on how to build a business and life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. Right now, we are doing a $1,000 giveaway to a random subscriber that does the following. Number one, you like the video. Number two, you subscribe to the channel. Number three, you've ticked that bell icon. And number four, you put a unique, thoughtful comment below as it relates to the content. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump to the screen and let's talk about this strategy. So right now, the keto diet is trending. So step number one is we want to find a trending niche. You can go to places like Amazon.com, you can go to ClickBank.com, which is a digital marketplace, and you can find the different industries and different niches that are trending right now. Keto happens to be one of them. So I went to Google and I just simply typed in keto diet. Now what we want to do is we want to scroll down and we just want to go to a random website. What I did before this video is I went to WebMD.com. When I jump over to WebMD.com, of course, you've got information about the ketogenic diet. And then what you really want to pay attention to here is the ads. There's one ad up here. There's ads to the side right here. And the way that you can find out that it's an advertisement is simply, if you look really closely right here, it says advertisement. And then right here, it says advertisement. So after we acknowledge different advertisements on the websites, and this could be WebMD.com, it could also be any of these other websites right here. But what we want to do next is we want to start clicking on the ads. So my apologies in advance to the people that are actually advertising here because we're costing them money. So what I did is I clicked on top foods for the keto right here. And it took me to this page right here. And what I did is I just clicked on the next step. So I clicked on see it here. And what happened is it took me to this page right here. Now, because I've been in the industry for a while and I've seen these for many years, you've probably seen these for many years too. This is what's called a news affiliate site. So it's pretty much a news site or an affiliate site that's disguised as a news site. So no matter where we click, like if I click on love right here, it's going to take you to an affiliate product, right? If I go backwards and I click on celebs, it's going to take you to the same affiliate product. There's just a different landing page, and so on and so forth. Any link that I click pretty much on the page is going to send us to an affiliate product. So when the consumer first comes to this website, they're really going to think that it's a legitimate news site. Well, it's actually, like I said, an affiliate site disguised as a news site. And the whole purpose of it is to sell people on this specific keto product. So you got lots of testimonials right here from celebrities, a lot of social proof. You've got the product right here. You've got before and after pictures. Now, likely these before and after pictures, I don't know if they're actual customers that took the product. They probably aren't. They're probably just some sort of photos that were taken somewhere on the internet. It could be from a stock image website, for example, and then they were simply thrown up on this website. So when you click on any of these links, as I showed you, like click on get your bottle as well, again, it takes you to the affiliate site. Well, these links, if I go back real quickly, these different links here across the site are coded with a specific special affiliate link for this product. So the next step is, well, let's figure out where this product can be found So you can join the exact affiliate marketplace, promote the exact product the same way that this product is being promoted. And the way that you do that is you simply go to offervault.com. So this is OfferVault right here. And all I did was I typed in the name of the specific program. So this is, or the product. So this product is Keto VIP. So we go over here, we type in Keto VIP and look, check it out. We can find the actual product right here, the offer name. The payout is $90. It's cost per acquisition, which means when somebody makes a purchase, then you as the affiliate get paid. So what you'll do is you'll click on the product name right here. It's going to take you to the network. You're going to click on Join Networks right here. And then you're going to fill out this information here and you can join the network and you can find the product. Okay, after you find the product, what you can do is you can go to a website called Fiverr.com and you can go ahead and join Fiverr. You can sign in and then you would just simply type in create website or copy website. So I'm going to click on, or I'm just going to type in copy website. And you can check out all these different people that will duplicate or clone a website. So this one right here, duplicate 24, I will clone copy WordPress website design using Elementor Pro. This one's got 5-star reviews, 80 of them to be exact. So I like to find the different providers that have the highest star rating and the most ratings. So this one has 4.9, 274, 5, 413, except these are people that will write for like a blog, not actually create a website. So we want to find people that will actually duplicate, redesign, or copy a website. And you can see a lot of these start at just $10. So you could pay a minimum of $10 and they will literally copy this website for you. They might copy it in a funnel creator such as ClickFunnels. There's Kartra out there. There's Builderall. There's many different tools out there that you can use to create websites. We can even put ClickFunnels website design or something like that, which is one of the tools that I use in my business is ClickFunnels. So check it out. Here's another one. I will design, clone, or transfer a website. This one's $30 right here. Now it's telling me to go ahead and log in or sign in here. So you can see all the opportunity that there is to go ahead and clone this specific website. The next question you might be wondering is, well, how do I start promoting this site on WebMD right here? And all I did is I went and I selected this I right here, and then I clicked on privacy policy. And this is the privacy policy for media.net. Media.net is essentially the website that takes in orders for ads to be placed on this WebMD website. So instead of going to WebMD and them having to take all the inquiries of people wanting to advertise on their website, they've outsourced and hired media.net. And so you can go ahead and you can sign up right here. You can create an account, and then you can essentially say, hey, I want to go ahead and advertise on webmd.com/diet, which is the actual browser URL that leads us to this page. It's actually /diet, and then it has some other words. Quite a long website domain, but you'll essentially share that full domain with them. So what you would do is you would model this exact same advertisement. So Top Foods for the Keto actually leads us to this page right here. They've got two choices, as I showed you before. And this first choice will lead to this site. The second choice, just want to double check, this leads to a different site. So we can actually model this same exact ad right here, going back from WebMD to, of course, here. And then we could pretty much, we don't need to copy the ad verbatim, but what we could do is we can model it. So we could put top weight loss keto diet, lose up to 35 pounds. in 4 weeks or 3 weeks. So really modeling what's working and even copying some instances of the sales process, taking what's working and then simply duplicating it. One thing that I would add to this that I would do is I would check back at this same exact website. So I would take down the domain, which the domain right here, you could see at the very bottom, it says webmd.com/diet/SS slideshow ketogenic diet. I would note that website, take it down, write it down. And then in a month's time, come back to the website and see if the same ad is being displayed with the same headline, the same landing pages, the same website, and everything. If it's still intact and the advertiser is still advertising in the next month or so, it tells you that this whole process works and that you could just simply duplicate this whole entire process, picking the same product, the same ad on the same website, and you could begin to reap the same results and get those $90 commissions. As I showed you right here, $90 payouts. So I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know by commenting below. Check out the resources in the description below if you're serious about building an affiliate marketing business from scratch, and not just affiliate marketing, but eventually high ticket affiliate marketing, where you're not just earning $90 per sale, but you're earning $500, $1,000, $10,000 plus per sale. I invite you to do that. Again, enter in the giveaway. Like this video, comment a unique comment below as it relates to the content, whether it be a question or a comment. Subscribe to the channel, tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload. I continue to give you guys great value. I hope you're loving the content so far. Again, check out the resources section below for more, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.